going to Wellington Zoo. Hey guys, it's me Zelda. Excuse my voice, I'm sick and I'm really losing my voice. We went to Wellington for a family thing, but had a couple days spare. So on one of those days, we went to the Wellington Zoo. So I thought I would vlog it with you guys. We also go to the museum afterwards and we have a very good time. I just always like vlogging when I go to zoos and stuff, so I hope you guys also like these kind of videos. Monkey? I don't see any monkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh wait, I can see one in this house. Oh, there's one there. So they did have some kiwi here at the zoo, and I did get some good videos of the kiwi. Now it is actually like super dark in these rooms, but I edited the videos to make them brighter so you can see them better. But kiwi are nocturnal, so it is actually dark in their enclosures, but we still got a really good view of some of the kiwi in here. They were super active. I've seen kiwi at other zoos and stuff, but these ones were just really out in the open and like just walking right past us. It was really cool. There was a kiwi here, you can hear me laughing in the video because it was just like running around its enclosure. It was so funny and you can kind of see it in this video. Just keeps running back and forth. Wait, you'll see it. There it goes. That was probably the closest I ever got to a kiwi. It was like right there. They're so chill. I think I got some good videos even though it's like super dark in there. And oh my god. Monkey? Can't really see it. Oh. Hey, Coonies. Oh, Cooney's on the prowl. That one doesn't look alive.
Oh, he's had a hard day on the vest.
I like that picture. What you doing, cheeky? Cheeky Kia. Eating some food. Oh, hello. Where are you going? Oh, the other one's going now.
That's all we got. No? Should we set it?
What is that sound?
That's the tiger.
Is that one?
Yep.
They don't really open their mouths much when they're
No, they don't roar like a lion.
some of these shits too.
God damn.
There's a
Monster shit.
Oh, there's another one down there
Oh my god, it's so many.
thick.
Yeah. Not camouflaging very well. Oh my god. Oh, there's like 4 of them right here. So cool. Puss, 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 puss.
Shake a packet of
Friskies,
Friskies,
whatever. Yeah. sick. Look at that thing. It's like a big worm. They do look fake. Animatronics. It's cool.
How you gonna get some energy?
Ew, it's like been licking that spot. Hey. That one's got a short tail.
It does. Oh, it's like, oh yeah.
Oh my god, what is this roll? Tiny one. There's two of them here. There's a tiny one.
Oh my god, that thing's so small.
Hi, he's so cute. Now, we did really enjoy going to Wellington Zoo, but I will say that it's probably not my favourite zoo in New Zealand. There wasn't as much animals as I thought there were, and we also didn't see a lot of them, but it probably doesn't help that it is winter right now in New Zealand. A lot of them were, like, sleeping. I just like going to zoos in general, but I do think that the Auckland Zoo is a lot better, and even the Christchurch Zoo. Christchurch is where I'm from. I haven't been to that zoo in ages, actually, but I do think that zoo is better too, and even Christchurch, Willowbank Wildlife Reserve, which I've vlogged a couple times because I love going there. I think even that's better, but still, it was like only like $25 each, I think. But I thought it was a really good price, and we still had a really good time. I just love seeing different animals. And then we went to the museum, Te Papa Museum, and yeah, I'm really glad we did because it had some really cool like animal taxidermy and like a fake creation of like moa and stuff, and moa are like my favorite extinct bird, so it was really cool. I really liked going here. I highly recommend you go to Te Papa in Wellington. Yeah, they have a really cool animal area. We did go through the whole museum, but I only really vlogged the animal area because this is the pet channel, you know, we're here for the animals. But yeah, that was a really cool museum. I spent a long time just like looking at all the like taxidermy animals and stuff. It was really cool. That is so sick. Can you go even closer? Or does it just go out of focus? What?
Yeah, you get to take next to that.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
I'll do it on the moth.
Oh, it's so fuzzy.
See like the dust.
Yeah. Look at the wet specimens. Oh, look at the skinks. Oh, look at the size of that one. Wow.
Just little fat red things. Gross.
Pokemon. Look at the little
sea
shrimp.
flares.
The tiny one? Aww. What?
Awesome. Reminds me of that fire moons he had.
Yeah, what happened to that?
Oh, what he should have done is given the matches to a grown-up.
What the hell is wrong with that dog? What the hell is that?
That's bad taxidermy right there. That's probably real old, actually.
What is
Look
that?
how horrible
That looks like
it is.
Bella. Why does it look like Bella? It's the like spot on the ear. What is wrong with his face? Oh my god.
You didn't see his face?
No, I know, I did. It just looks so much worse when you like go front on. Oh no. I like how they've even got a picture of it like there, but it's like covering most of his face. Oh, look at the little hedgehog.
That will be the hedgehog. Yep.
Wait, I want to find the dog.
Dog's in here. Pacific dog.
So maybe it's meant to look like that? What the fuck? Oh my god! What the? Where'd he go? Oh, he's back. No. Well, look at this. Look at this. Design your own rat trap. This one's just a gun. Oh my god! This is animal abuse. Look at this one! It's like a boulder! Oh my god!
Someone just did a full-on maze.
That's smart. These are fucked up.
Yeah, man. Kids are...
Water with electric eels. These are so creative though.
So I was gonna get kids...
An anvil.
Oh yeah, they did make one. Remake.
You should draw one. Alright, we drew rat traps. This is Will's. This is mine. So, I don't want to cover it. Okay, I'll cover this one because this one's just nothing.
Oh, surely we take these with us. These are art pieces.
You want to take them with us?
Yeah, these are art pieces.
Okay,
We can't let the public have our free art.
Alright, we're not putting them on the wall. Plus we might traumatize some child, so let's not do that. Although this one's pretty bad. Oh, little eel.
And some munchies.
I love wet specimens. They're so beautiful. Whoa, look at that big boy.
Look at lamprey. I don't even know what lampreys are.
What? Start fishing. Giant squid. Oh, it's a bit mushy looking, isn't it? Hmm? It's a bit mushy looking.
We used to just be stuffed against glass.
It's got so many stitches. That's kind of sad.
I think it started deteriorating.
Yeah, looks like it. God.
Damn, they didn't like Chloe.
I mean, look at it. Of course they didn't like it. Having a munch. On some poison.
Some tasty pellets.
1080.
Yep.
Yum.